Hello and welcome to the quality analysis demo. In this scenario, I will be a team leader who wants to use Octane to manage and analyze my product area. So first thing I'm going to do is navigate to the quality model, and I'm going to use the overview tab in the widget I've created to monitor the quality of my area. So I can see that the chat application model, which is my area, has many defects on it. In the run status by application model, I can see that many tests have failed in this area, which makes sense since I have so many defects. If I want to compare this area to other areas, I can see that it has pretty much the same amount of feature on it and test coverage as the other application models. So I realized that this area needs to be focused on in this release. If I choose the first release to filter, I can see that there are no open defects and all of the tests had passed. But if I select the second release, then I realize that in this release I have many defects and regression in this area. So what I want to do is assign people to work on the defects and fix them. If I hover over the defects and drill down to see them, then I realize that the defects have no owner on them, so which means no one is working on those defects. So I want to navigate to the defect. I'll group it by severity, like so. I want to focus on the critical ones, but only in my area. So I'll go to chat, then I can see only the defects related to this area. So I'll start assigning those to my team members. So let's say I'm giving the first one to Messi and the second two to Ronaldo. Now when the defects will be fixed, I can see that in the overview. See, many of the defects were closed. Now when I drill down to the run themselves, you can see that all the manual runs failed due to defects. But if I hover them, I can see the status of them. So this one is new, for example. But I can see some of them are fixed, which means I want to run the test again and see that they this time passed. Moreover, I can go to the test, select all the tests in this area. I want to create a new test suite to monitor regression. Now I can plan a run for it to my team member, and when all the defects will be fixed, I want them to run all the tests again and see that this time all the tests passed. Now my goal is eventually to go into the overview tab and see I have no more open defects and all of the tests have passed, as you can see in the previous release. Well, that's pretty much it. If you want to learn more, please watch other demos. Thank you.